To increase FPSs in the games in the Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can actually do this easily by using the Game Turbo, and let me show you step by step how we can do this. So open the Game Turbo and search for this over here, and in most cases you will have to swipe up to open the toolbox and go for a Game Turbo. When you open it for the first time, you will have to click here, enable the Game Turbo, but also click here to add all games that are not available as default here. That's very important. Then go for the performance mode, open it, enable both of them, and also enable the performance optimization and the MiFi speed boost. Then go back from this one, open your game and tap on the GPU settings. Here, enable frame rate for the maximum, lower resolution, turn off anisotropic filtering, and also texture filtering set for the high speed. And this is actually everything. There's additional option. Yeah, we can also enable the multi-thread rendering. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorials.